Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations, back today with another video. Today I'm doing a half and half swipe that I've been doing, but on a larger scale canvas. I have a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrap canvas. I already poured down. I'm using Liquitex Basics bright aqua green as the one base coat, and then Artist Loft Flow acrylic white for the other half. So I already mixed those up 1:1 ratio with my floetrol and water to thin. So I have them down on my canvas. I am going to go through the colors that I'm going to use today with you. I'm going to be using, this is an AC Moore paint that I can't get anymore. It's called Prussian Blue though, but it's their brand. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using DIY Art Minds Candy Apple Green. I'm going to use Liquitex Basics, oh, not this one because that's what I'm using down. I don't want to do that. Sorry, Artist Loft Turquoise. Going to be using the 24 karat gold by Extreme Sheen Deco Art. I'm going to use the Treasure Gold Metallic Aquamarine, put some of that in there. And I need my Artist Loft Ultramarine. And I also want Phthalo Green. And this is Phthalo Green. I think it's like a mixture of a couple different paints. I've had it for a while. So I think that's what I'm going to be using. Don't think I'm going to add anything else in there. I think it's going to be more like, yeah, this is good. So let's get started. I'm going to put down my paints one at a time. So I'm going to start with my dark. And I'm just going to go up the middle here. Okay. Put that down, and then I'll add the metallic aquamarine. And then let's put down the phthalo green. There's something stuck in here, I think. Okay. And then the turquoise. And the ultramarine, I'm going to put that down here. Going into this color. I'm going to put down the candy apple. And I'm just going to put that over the colors. And the gold. I think I'm just going to go sprinkle that in there. Okay. All right. So I'm going to use a couple different things to swipe with today. I might use my comb to give it some interest. Obviously I'm going to use my palette knife. I may even use this little tool. This is a painter's tool. I got this such a long time ago, but I used to make leaves, and it made leaves really cool. So I might even add a little of that in there. So we'll see. So I'm going to swipe with the white, and I'm going to swipe with the floetrol mixture and Amsterdam white. And that's just, I'm just doing the American floetrol, not doing the Australian floetrol. But there's no oil in it, so that's great for cleaning your canvas afterwards. So I am just going to, I have a little piece of cardboard here that I am going to pour my white into so I can just dip it in easier. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So I'm going to dip my knife in, just like so. Okay. And I'm going to do some swipes here. I think I'm just going to go a different way today. Oh, I love mist. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. That's right. I kind of pulled my hand up too fast. And again I did. That's all right. Okay. Take that little bit out. Okay, so you saw me do all the swipes with the palette knife, and then I took the little painter's tool that I had and I kind of made some little marks in the center and along the leaf, like the leaf line, and then again with the comb, just to give it some interest. There's really no right or wrong way here, just make it look organic and fluid. So again, I'm using the comb just to give it a little interest there, a little like squigglies. So far I'm really liking this. Love the colors. Anytime I make a painting that's like looks like leaves, I end up selling it. People really like them, especially when they're like the greens and the blues. this is really pretty. So I'm just kind of going through, and now I take it a skewer and just making little like squigglies just to give some more movement to the piece. But yeah, very good. I'm very happy with this piece. So I just continue with the skewer and do some little twirls and squigglies. Oh, so I'm going underneath, wiping it, because it'll keep, rolling off the canvas if you don't do that. So every now and then, while your piece is drying, just wipe it off with your finger and go around the back edge underneath of the canvas. And here's the final close-up piece. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video. If you are new here, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.